Hello, Anthony. This is Daniel from Josh and Danny SEO. Jennifer uh, gave me the go ahead to send this over to you. It's just an instructional video, kind of showing you what's going on with your website and how you can drive more traffic to it. So, right when we look at your website, custom paintings, you have a nice logo over there. Everything looks to be in order. We got our click to conversion, so people click and they can get on the phone with you guys or send you an email. That's very important. So great job. Um, we get to the about us over here. So what we do working together, why choose us? So we got a little bit here, which is important for people. And then as we scroll down, we don't really have any more. So we don't have a lot of content over here. Google's very strict on content. They want about 1,500 to 2,000 words within your homepage. And they also want like buyer intent keywords in there, or they look for keywords within those 1,500. Now we're searching for buyer intent keywords, which is kind of what people are searching for online, like painters, Houston, Texas, stuff like that. So we're actually going to go over to here. This is Ahrefs. It's our tool that kind of shows us the back end of what's going on with websites. So this is you guys right away. We have your UR and your DR, right? So the UR is the strength of your domain, and the DR is kind of the trust that Google places in that. Now, typically you want it at between 30 and 40 with a ratio of 1 to 1. Now, how do we get that over there? So what we do is they look very closely at backlinks. So backlink is kind of, well, like here, a referring domain. It's where you have your website link where somebody can click on it and get back to you. Now, not all backlinks or referring domains are created equal. Some are very spammy and not very trustworthy. So Google kind of disregards that and kind of hits you for it. And then some of them are very authoritative. They're very good, and Google looks to them, and they're very happy that you're connected. So that's one way. You want to have a lot of backlinks with a lot of strong referring domains. But then you go to your organic keywords. So these are what people are searching for organically to find your website or what it is you're offering. And it looks like you're bringing in about 100 people a month through that traffic and through your website. So if we actually just click on, what those keywords are, give it a bit, 3 seconds to load here, um, you'll notice that a lot of these keywords, yes, you have the volume for custom painting, but that's very generic. That's not very intent for Texas or Houston. So you're going to pull in some traffic, but you're still in position 7 for that. But custom paintings near me is 500. It's very generic across the United States. So still 15, and you're in the 9th position. So you are pulling some traffic, but let's look for more specific one. Custom Paint Houston, it's getting 40, and it's bringing in a traffic, amount 4 people, 3rd position. So that's great. But that is your name as well. So let's look at something a little more, stronger. So here we have 200 in here. It's Houston interior painting, but you're not getting any traffic. Right, let's go a little further. We have 350 here for painting Houston, Texas. Still no traffic, but that's because your positioning is on the 3rd and 4th page. So you're not able to utilize those keywords to get you the traffic that these are pulling. So let's actually look at what those people are searching for, right? Painters Houston. So right away we have up here, which is your ad section. So these are people who are paying for those quick conversions. People are going to click on these and quickly call them because they're looking to do something right now. And then you have your map pack over here. So this is where 40% of all people go to. Now the way you get in here is you got your name, number, and address listed. You want to be able to have your name, number, and address listed in a bunch of different places. You also want to be able to respond to your customers. So you want as many 5-star reviews as you possibly can, and you want to be able to respond to those 5-star reviews. There's a couple of other things that go into it, but you definitely want to get here. Then here we have our organic search. So this is where, we're not paying for anything, but we still need to rank here in order to get, people to see us. So right away we got, Yelp, Home Advisor, Hughes, and then Angie. And then here's your first and our first competitor, right? Commercial painting, custom painting, which comes out to Perfect Painting. So they have a, nice website over here as well. This takes up a lot of space just off the bat. Kind of scrolling through their website, they have their call for contact for conversions to get those customers, and then they have their content here. Now, just searching through, I'm not really seeing a lot of buyer intent keywords or any keywords here in general. I'm seeing like a couple painters in Houston, and then a lot of links and pictures, and then of course little bit over here, um, maybe some pictures through this, some reviews, and then, nothing really. So they also don't have 1,500 to 2,000 keywords. Let's look at a bit of an overview of what they have as well. So this is kind of what they look like. They're domain 13, so their strength and trust 13 2.6. They do have, it's still loading, 392 backlinks to 38 referring domains. So if you want to beat them out and really get your ranking up there, we're going to have to beat out those backlinks. Maybe jump yours up by about 100 and get more. You want 100 more than them, so you can get a lot more referring domains, and we want strong domains. But they're also doing 184 keywords in the organic keyword search for 450 plus organic traffic over here. So let's take a look and see what they're doing. So their keywords that they're pulling right now are, let's see what we got. Come on. All right, so we got Painters Perfect, so that's them, but you got Painters Houston. So right off the bat, 700 volume, they're on the first page to get that. We scroll down, and if you can see here, the volume for these keywords are 400, 450, 350. They're all very buyer intent keywords. These are people who are looking for a service right now. So it's not some like, oh, hey, what color should I paint my house? It's more of a, this is what I'm looking for. And they're getting all the volume and they're getting the traffic for that as well. The good thing is they're still on page number 1. They're not really high on that page, so people don't really scroll down to get that. So if we kind of jump back over to you, right? We want to beat them out. All we got to do is we just have to beat, the organic keyword search. We got to add 15 to 2,000 words into your homepage over there, adding in those keywords so that you can start seeing those results, start ranking higher. Than page 3 and 4, kind of get you out to page 1, so your organic traffic goes up by 3 or 4 times the amount. Get the ratio up by adding all those backlinks in there so you can start seeing the results you're looking for. Anthony, Jennifer, I really hope this was helpful to you guys. Any feedback from me is more than welcome. I'd love to hear from y'all. If you want to discuss this more, of course, reach back out. Thanks. Bye.